Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is PLI Scheme 2.0 for IT hardware. Recently, the Product Linked Incentive Scheme 2.0, that is PLI Scheme 2.0 for IT hardware, has been approved by the Union Cabinet with a budgetary outlay of Rs 17,000 crores. Information about the PLI Scheme 2.0. The government had in February 2021 approved the PLI scheme for IT hardware. It covers the production of laptops, tablets, all-in-one PCs and servers with an outlay of Rs 7,350 crore. It comes with more than double budgetary outlay, a longer tenure of 6 years as opposed to 4 years earlier, and a more attractive incentive package. Now moving on to context, India has become the world's second largest manufacturer of mobile phones. Exports of mobile phones crossed a major milestone of 11 billion US dollars this year, that is about Rs 90,000 crore. India has emerged as an electronics manufacturing ecosystem hub. Recently, Apple has started manufacturing iPhones in India. The government expects the scheme will result in additional production worth Rs 3.35 lakh crore and investments of Rs 2,430 crore during its duration. Furthermore, it aims to create employment opportunities for around 75,000 people within the next 6 years. India's unemployment rate has increased 7.8% from 6.4% in October 2022 as per the report of Center for Monitoring Indian Economy. PLI scheme helps in creating domestic employment opportunities.